let's do a collective thrift haul.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
My name is Keisha, aka Keisha the Stylist. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. So like I was telling you guys, we are doing a collective thrift haul today. It's going to be split up into 3 separate categories, and I'll get into that a little bit later. Before we get into that, if this is the first time seeing my face, yes, this face, and you love thrifting, come thrifting with me. Estate sales, anything secondhand, anything vintage. I am a stylist, I am an entrepreneur, and I take you through the day-to-day of me being an entrepreneur, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. If that sounds good to you, please hit that subscribe button. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. And if you're returning, you know how I feel about you guys. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and doing all the things. I really appreciate it. Like I was saying, we are doing a collective thrift haul, but it is a little bit different than what I've done in the past. I have 3 separate occasions that I want to show you. I guess you can say occasions. So let's hop into it. So the first batch of items I want to show you guys is from my girl Felicia from BOK Media Life. If you haven't checked out her channel, I will link it below. Definitely check out her channel. All her videos will wow you. I'm telling you 100%. I'm sitting there every video like, what? She did that with that? And I've said this before. She's one of the most creative people I know. Like the way her brain works to put things together and do DIYs and crafting and all of that type of stuff, it blows my mind. 100%. It just blows my mind, for real, for real. And she was so nice to send me a box. I do know 1 or 2 things that may be in the box, but you know, she threw some surprises up in there, and I'm so excited to open this box. So let's do that. So let's get this box open. OMG. I'm a terrible box opener, but let's dig in. Wow. Something is all wrapped up. Look at this. So she showed us these mugs in a live that she did, and I told her that I love the one with the, and also, oh, she made these earrings, y'all. She made these earrings. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna rock these. These are so cute and well made too. Y'all gotta check out her channel. Look at these earrings. Let me bring it a little bit closer. She made these, like I said. She made these. I'm definitely gonna rock these. She showed this mug in one of her lives, and she showed an option of, I think it was just like a white mug, and this is her logo. This is their logo. Super cute, super cute. And this one has the black inside, and I just love this. I love the two-tone. I love this. This is gonna be my favorite mug. You know, I drink coffee every morning. So you know I'm gonna drink my coffee out of this tomorrow morning. This is gonna be my coffee mug for tomorrow. Definitely. Oh, that is so cute. All the earrings, I already showed you guys. I love these. I'm probably gonna be rocking these in my next video. Watch. Definitely. I know what this is. It feels amazing. This is a leather jacket she said she had for years, and she wanted to send it to me so that I can style it up. I won't be styling anything up in this video, but leave me a comment below if you want to see any of these items styled. I will say the next batch of items I won't be styling because I'll speak on that a little bit later, but anything else, if you want me to style it up, let me know, because I will be doing a styling video, and I'll include this as well as whatever you guys recommend. It is this kind of tan blush pink color, which is really cute. I love this. Cute. I can't wait to style that up. So those are the items from Felicia from BOK Media Life. Like I said before, definitely check out her channel. Head over, subscribe, do all the things. Tell her that I sent you, and definitely do that. So the next few items I'm showing you, I've accumulated some items for my artist collection that will be dropping in November. This artist collection will be inspired by the military. If you didn't know, I am a veteran. I was in the Air Force for a few years. This collection is near and dear to my heart because I have a lot of family that was in the military. My brother was in the military. My dad was in the military. My uncle was in the military. So like a lot of my family went through that path to get to where they ultimately got to in their life. So we use the military as a stepping stone to get to that ultimate goal. This artist collection is inspired by, well, let's say it's inspired by because I'm using actual vintage military items to create this collection. And if you didn't know what the artist collection is, it is a collection of items from the 1950s, 60s, even earlier, 40s, 1940s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and sometimes 90s. Items that I rework in ways of I may hand paint, dye, alter, do anything. I'm going to do something to it to breathe new life into that item because these items generally are like faded or has holes or something like that. Some of these military items may not have anything wrong with them, but I wanted to fit into that theme of the military, so I'm still gonna use them. This collection will be dropping in November for Veterans Day. November the 11th is Veterans Day, and it's gonna drop on that Out of the ordinary because I usually drop on a Friday, but this is going to be a Monday, and I'm gonna drop a video along with dropping the collection, so watch out for that. So let's get into some of these. You've been watching my videos for a while. You've seen me go thrifting, looking for different military items. You've probably seen a sneak peek of some of the items that I do have, but I wasn't really getting a lot of items or seeing a lot of items that I could purchase. This collection to be like a lot of items in it. I want it to be a large size range. I want it to be unisex and all of that type of stuff. So I wanted to source for more items. And I went on eBay and I searched for different things and I found some of these pieces. So I'm going to show those to you right now. So the first item is this military jacket, vintage green color. And it is that kind of like drawstring shape. It's super heavy. It's super heavy. These items are not going to look the same way that I'm showing you. So bookmark this video and come back to wild at whatever this ends up being. But it is really heavy. It is a size medium, men's size medium. So, but you know how we do. It has no gender, right? So you know how we do. Okay, this find is like one of my favorite finds for this. So these, if you follow me on social media, you already know what these are. These are vintage men's military swim trunks. These are swim trunks. These are swim trunks. And they're like a khaki material. That's the crazy thing. And these are men's. Yep. They used to do it like this back in the day. Men used to wear short shorts too. Yep. Clothes has no gender, right? Clothes have no gender. I'm super excited for this, and if my brother is watching, he probably want to have first dibs on this, but you gotta wait. You gotta wait till November the 11th. I'm just saying. So this is a coverall, vintage military style. You already know when it has this type of tag, it is genuine, authentic military gear. So it is super long. It is so long. It is a 46L. So it is a size 46 long. So it is really long. But who knows what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah. My wheels are turning. My wheels are turning. So that is that. I've been wanting to find a desert BDU for a very long time. I did a tour in Saudi Arabia, and I'll try to put up a picture of me in my uniform if I can find it. I don't know where, and we had to wear desert BDUs, and I love I wasn't feeling wearing regular camo BDUs every day for as long as I was in the military, but when I was able to wear these, I was like, yeah, yeah. I just love this color combination. I love the neutral color and the brown. It's just, it does something on this skin tone, like for real, for real. And the boots that come with these, ooh, like I would rock this for real in real life. I would. You'll see what I do with it. You'll see what I do with it. And last, I'm so excited for this piece. I'm so excited. When I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, oh yeah. So this is a vintage military tuxedo. So it's the crop jacket and it has a little stripe on the sleeve. Y'all already know it's not gonna stay white, right? Y'all know this is not gonna stay white. And then the best part about it is these high-waisted pants that goes with it. So amazing. These are so cute. And because they have the buttons on the back and in the inside, you can wear suspenders with these. Like imagine these with this, a cute little top underneath and some suspenders. Just so those are the items for the artist collection. Like I said, they will not look like that in November. I'm just saying, they will not. But I'm super excited to get started on those items. Let's move on to the next portion. So the last portion of items, they are from the thrift trip that I took last when I did the thrift challenge of $10 outfit. Yeah. Did y'all really think I left the thrift store with just that outfit? Come on. If you know me, you know. I am trying to limit my intake of what I do bring into my inventory, bring into my house, because I have so much. I don't need a lot. I don't need much more. I really don't. But when I'm in the thrift store and I see something that stands out and that's amazing, I can't just pass it up, because nothing haunts you like the vintage you did not buy. I'm telling you, you probably heard that before. Follow the vintage splendor. She says that a lot, and that's a huge saying in the vintage community. If you don't buy that vintage piece, you may never see it again. So that's word to the wise. Word to the wise. So I am going to show you some of the items that generally applies to like party dresses and things like that, because those are getting very scarce in the thrift stores. And I love myself a good 80s party dress, 70s dress. So yeah, so let's get into these. The first item you saw in the thumbnail, these slingbacks. These are actually on trend, I think, for the upcoming season. I saw a video about fall trends and this was a part of it, so I guess I'm on trend. I really don't care, but these are gonna go in my closet. So this dress is really cute. I love the pattern on it. It's like a shirt, but it is long enough to be a dress. It's really long, really long. And I like the pocket square that it has there. I like the pocket square. It is a shirt style, but it is like a button up. And it's really long, but it's a dress. Love that. This next one is really cute. It comes with a belt, but I don't have the belt. It is a plus size item, so it is this dress. I love this like metallic snake skin of it. So that is the dress. And then it comes with a jacket as well. This will be going on the website, of course. And like I said, this is very dynasty. Very dynasty. Y'all know I'm in my Dominique Devereaux era. So I only have this shoe, but I did end up getting these boots. The red ones were so worn that I couldn't like do anything with them. So I didn't buy them. Okay, hear me out. I know. But what I could do with these, styling these, Just trust me. Trust me. Whenever I see any lingerie from the 80s like this, like these little kind of bodysuits, I try to get them because these are super cute. One of you guys mentioned this. You said that you were going thrifting to look for camis to put under your blazers. This is a perfect example of what you should layer under your blazers for the fall. Definitely. Yes, this is a party dress. This is a really cute 80s party dress. Has a little ruffle thing right there. I love the blue and the silver. This will be perfect for like Christmas or New Year's Eve. That is really cute. This is my favorite piece, I will say. This is a 70s maxi dress. So it's this floral on top, and then you get to the skirt, and the skirt is like a quilted material, like a quilt. It's really pretty. So this is a two-piece. This is a two-piece. So you have the jacket, which is this sparkle shimmer. And then you know we're getting into fall. So I have these velvet pants that go with it. They're like skinny leg, but they're really cute. So that is a set. You guys know I couldn't leave this in the thrift store, right? I have so many plans for this dress. It is so cute. And the last thing I have for you guys is this top. It is a high neck top, this metallic color. This is giving Dynasty. This is giving Dynasty. Love that. So those are all the items I have. Let me know in the comments which items were your favorite, and let me know, take a guess at what do you think I'm gonna do with those artist collection items. Just take a guess. I may use one of your suggestions. Who knows? I haven't started yet, so if you have a better idea than I do, I might grab it and give you credit. I believe my next video will be a like crafting type video. I'm gonna rework some items. It's not gonna be the artist collection items, but it's gonna be some accessories. So we will see how that turns out. If you want to see that, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend if they love vintage and secondhand and sustainable fashion, all of that good jazz. Definitely share this with them. That is all I have. Have a good night, have a good day, have a good week, have a good weekend, have a good weekday, and I will holler at you guys later.